Hey traders, Anthony here. This is a live account. What I want to do with this video is show you how to use our trade signals trading on MT4 while the signals are firing on TradingView. So you can see here the balance is 19,755. Let's go over to TradingView. This is the Aussie CAD. I sent this trade signal into our VIP group. So why did I take this trade? This is what we've been talking about in all of the videos that I've done previously if you watch the most recent videos. So we've got this range through the Asian session. We see the breakout of the range here into a 4-hour order block, and we get our signal. This is what brought me into the chart, this guy down here. I came in, I saw that. I'm waiting for the next candle, see how they shape up. Quite happy with it. Short it. Why? It's trading up through. See these levels, daily levels here? The yellow lines, monthly level here. So I like the fact that it's traded into this daily higher time frame level and pushed through it, attacking buy-side liquidity up in here. 4-hour distribution level, resistance, trades, breaks out, hits liquidity. I'm shorting it based on the fact that this indicator is red and these guys are red. So this is telling me that we have a stop run. Remove those drawings. So let's just run through some of these signals and see what we've got. Keep it really simple. One chart, 5-minute chart. Now this is a bullish trend on the higher time frame, as you can see, green and green. This has crossed, well, it's actually crossed this yellow line here and orange line, I should say, and yellow. But this orange line is a weekly. This is a daily. I don't want to get involved with that. If this trades down in here somewhere and we see a green dot, I'd be interested. So let's just have a look at these dot alerts. Okay, so we've got the pound CAD. Let's have a bit of a sneak preview here. Okay, I don't really like this chart insofar as it's a downtrend, and that's why we've got these bars bearish. But look what we got here, this breaker structure, bullish breaker structure, higher low. So I am not going to touch that, even though, you know, this could pull back and give us something. I'd rather go for a higher probability setup that's more favorable. See how this is ranging here? So this is why I'm probably going to stay out of this one. See this trend here? That's what I want to get involved with. See through here? That's the kind of trend I want to get involved with. This is no. All right, so I'm just going to stay out of this one. Pound Swissy, let's have a look at that. I don't mind that. Stop run. The only thing I'm not so keen on is, again, look, see how it's ranging through here? And it has been since Wednesday, Thursday, right? So it's very undecided. This white line you see down here, that's a monthly resistance, support. That's a key monthly level here. So it's holding up around this monthly level. Right? I'm reluctant to get involved with that. So let's have a look at what we got here. The Aussie Swiss. That was a trade we took earlier on. Let's clear that. I don't mind this one so much. I like the way that it's grinding up here, and then we get this. So I'm going to sell the Aussie Swiss. Sort of thing I'm looking for is, I want to see it sort of grinding up into the London Open, and then we get this. And this displacement here has got me interested. All right, so I'm going to go in on this pullback Aussie Swissy short 4-hour chart. I'm good with that. All right, stop. I'm going to go above this green candle, and we'll see how we go with that. So there's a sell, Aussie Swissy. All right, I'll send that to VIP. I quite like this one. Take a snapshot, copy, get over to VIP. These 3 trades worked out quite nicely. That was a short. This was a buy down in here. That kind of worked out nicely. And that was a sell up in here. We've got these 2 tonight. Yeah, I'm happy with that. I like what I'm seeing here. Into the London Open. Trades up into the London Open. We get this displacement pullback. I mean, I am jumping in a little bit early. You could wait for confirmation that this is heading south if you wanted to. So you want to see a lower high, lower low that's starting to form. I just like what I'm seeing. I like this grinding up. We've got the dot. We've got this strong move here. And now the pullback. And I would say that's going to head south. Righto, so let's have a look and see what else we've got. Pound yen I wasn't so keen on, I don't think. But actually break to the downside here under the mean. Yep, it's not in a strong trend yet. You see that on the 4H? And the other thing too, show you this. CAD Swiss. CAD Swissy I like short, although it's pretty messy. Look at this, see? It's been whipping back and forth, trading sideways for a fair while under this orange weekly resistance. Does look pretty weak though. CAD Swiss. In any case, let's just keep this simple and look for some more opportunities. What's the Euro CAD doing? Yeah, it's kind of mixed. I won't be touching that. We don't have a green or a red bar under here, and our multi-time frame are 50%. Although, I mean, when you look at that, it's trading up into the London Open. It's grinding up. If this trades off and displaces here, that could give us possibly, but be careful. Big support level here. That might be it. And then we see that. Now just keep it simple. Wait for the setup, like a strong red bar, all of these red, the red dot, that's the kind of setup we want. Apart from that, you get confused if you get overly technical. See, this is the setup that I like. It's a much more higher probability trade. See, we've got a really nice trend here. This is the trade we took and the one I sent to VIP. All right, sell off, retrace. You can see nice clean trend. Bit of a pullback here on the daily, on the 30-minute. Be careful. But again, I'm going with that. The dot, grinding up after it was ranging. And then I want to see displacement here. Lower high, lower low, and this selling off would be very nice. I'll wrap up the video at that, and I hope you've gained something out of it. If you have, give me a thumbs up. It helps the YouTube algorithm. Subscribe. Jump on board with us. Go to the website, tradingwithanthony.com. Gain access to the signals and the indicators. With that, hope you have a great day. Safe trading, and we'll see you in the next one.